Do a blown water class all about our brand new HelixPurity machine. This is the finest alkaline antioxidant energized water machine out there on the market. And with the addition of the Helix Energizer technology, the same unit can actually be used to create structured water as well, which is very important for the body. So we believe that water, when it's in its organic, natural, wild state, not only has increased alkalinity and antioxidant value, but also has the water structure that we see more akin to the biowater in the body. And our crystalline vortex technology that we employ in the Helix Energizer is second to none. This unit is the best value in the marketplace. It uses a full-blown constant pressure reverse osmosis purification engine as its front end. So this is going to remove upwards of 99% of all the contaminants that are contained in your drinking water. And then the water will go through our proprietary energized media solution, which creates that alkaline antioxidant water. From there, it's going to run through the Helix Energizer on its way to your tap. This is the faucet that comes with the system. It's available both in polished chrome and brushed nickel. Polished chrome is what's shown here. We also stock the dark finish, which is called the oil rub bronze or ORB. So all those are available. We can get any kind of faucet finish you want, but the ones that we stock are those three: the chrome, the nickel, and the ORB. Okay, so what I want to do today is I just want to do a quick water test, take a look at some of the pH values of some of the most common beverages that are out there. The first thing that we're going to look at is this very typical bottled water. It's one of the two best brands, most widely sold in the US. And we're going to set that up here. And then we'll take a look at all of these together. And then this is the second most popular water brand, without calling out names. Also sold pretty much in every store in America. I'm going to take a look at the pH of that. And then we've got our electrolyte balanced sports water, which is also very popular, especially amongst our young people. We're going to take a look at how that will compare. And then we've also got a popular vitamin infused beverage, which is out there in the market, which many people have seen, many have taken. And then we've got one of our soda products here, which is also extremely popular. We're just going to take a look at this. Okay, just to kind of give an idea. And then we're going to pull up our pH chart here and just have a quick look so we can see. And what we notice is, see if I can get back in camera. So what happens is normally your sodas, sports beverages, and bottled water products are going to fall somewhere down here in this range. They tend to be very, very acidic. And then what happens is the body wants to maintain a blood pH level of between 7 and 8, which is pretty much going to do automatically regardless of your intake. What happens though is that as we continue to eat more alkaline foods, the body has to work a lot less hard to keep our body alkaline. That's why an alkaline diet is so important, especially when we consider all of the food products that are out there that we pretty much enjoy in civilized society here are very, very acidic, including the meats, the cheeses, many of the breads and other products. So we want to try to maintain an alkaline-based diet if we can, and drinking alkaline antioxidant water is one of the best ways to do that. Now, before I show you the rest of this water test, I want to just, if I can, explain a little bit about why our technology for alkaline antioxidant water is much different than what's out there. You know, we use a proprietary, something we call the Energized media solution, which we actually debuted back in 2011. This is a way to create alkaline antioxidant water non-electrically, exactly the way that the earth does. When you drink water out of a fast-moving stream or a fresh organic spring, what's happening is that water is being charged by the kinetic action of that water moving through the rocks, through the soil. It's also picking up minerals and other essential cofactors that are found in the environment. There's no way to duplicate that with these electronic machines that we see in the households today. And in fact, many of them can create an alkaline water that's very, very strong, which nobody has any business eating. You know, as water becomes more and more alkaline, it takes on a surfactant or almost chemical cleaning type property to it. And it just probably isn't very good, you know, for the gentle intestinal linings and mucous membranes that we have in our body. So we think we have the best solution out there because it's an alkaline antioxidant water that's made organically the way that the earth makes its water. And what you'll find is that it's a gentle alkalinity. It doesn't have the harsh effect in the body that some of the very expensive electronic units do. It also contains in it 5 removable and replaceable cartridges, and every time you change out your cartridges in your machine, you essentially have a brand new piece of equipment. It employs a non-electric pump, which is used not only to conserve water, but keep a constant pressure throughout the system. So even if you have a house with well, like we do, where you might have low water pressure in the house, this onboard pump will make up for that. So it's a phenomenal system. Again, comes with its own faucet, and now includes the brand new Helix Energizer structuring water technology, which is proprietary to Helix Life. So this is a fine system. It's one that you're gonna love. You put it in. We have systems exactly like this without the Helix Energizer that have been on the market now for going on 11 years. So this has stood the test of time. Phenomenal long-term system. It comes with a wonderful warranty, and you know, we stand behind every product that we make. So let's take a look at some of the testing here and see. We've got our proprietary pH testing drops here. So this is that popular brand of water that we see in the store, the purified water. Here's the other brand. This is the sports beverage. My goodness, boy, is that acidic. This is the other sports beverage, and here, of course, is the popular soda product. So let's take a look at these and just see, and we can notice how acidic every one of these beverages are, you know, more so than we can ever imagine. Let's just take a look compared to the chart here, what we're looking at, and we can see that every one of these things is very, very, very acidic, and definitely will contribute to acidification in the body, no question about it. Now, in contrast, let's take a look at our water that just fresh came out of our Helix Energizer machine here at the house. Let's take a look at that, and we will see how that compares. Wow. Now, take a look at this. So this is what we're looking at. We're looking at somewhere between an 8 and a 9 pH. Absolutely phenomenal. And this is what we mean. And this is a gentle alkaline water, very cleansing, great for a detox in the body. Helps not only to maintain the alkalinity in the body, but has a host of other benefits as well. It's much more hydrating in the body. They say up to 4 times more hydrating even than fresh squeezed orange juice. It has tremendous antioxidant value. And again, we've got the proprietary crystalline vortex a structuring water technology that we have through the Helix Energizer. And for those that are interested, we also have a Helix Energizer whole house model, which is available as well. Phenomenal product. But this is so simple to install. It comes with the solid brass, what we call push fit fittings. It's set up to fit the 3/4 plumbing, either the copper, the PEX, or the CPVC. It's about a 20-minute installation, comes with full instructions. I put one of these into my house plumbing 3 years ago when we first debuted this product. It is absolutely phenomenal. I noticed a huge reduction in the amount of salt that's required now in my water conditioning plant that I have here on the property, and you'll notice the same thing. So this is a phenomenal technology and phenomenal product. Thanks for sharing a few minutes with us. Get back in touch with the person that invited you to this video. Find out more about not only our brand new HelixPurity unit, but also our less expensive Helix Energizer, which is a wonderful option as well. This does not require the use of a second faucet. The HelixPurity does. The HelixPurity also comes with its own water storage tank. So go ahead and give us a shout and let us know what you think. Thanks, everybody.